for an Estonian visitor visa. So as we know, Estonia is a Schengen country, so the process is almost similar. So guys, before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to how to show you to navigate through a service. All right, guys. So guys, tourist visa, it's also called C visa. So these are considered as a Schengen visa where you get access to all the Schengen countries, but the application process is very important, like where you're gonna apply and all. So, guys, like other countries, when you apply for a visa to Estonia, Type C or Schengen visa, it depends upon the location you are applying from. And many countries don't even need a visa. So it's very important first you find this out. So if you're from India, I have opened this Embassy of Estonia, New Delhi. So short stay visa. So they have given the process that you can apply to the VFS Global Center closest to your city in India. If you're not an Indian passport holder and permanently been working here for over a year, you can apply at Estonian Embassy in New Delhi. So make sure you understand this. Okay. Now, so the process is like you need to fill an online form first where you put all the details. Then you need to print it, sign it, then schedule an appointment with VFS and then go for it. So I'm going to show you. So here it is. So yeah, this is the tab. I'll take you up. Okay. So this is for Estonia visa in India, Estonia visa in India. So there are steps. Identify the visa type. So now we know the visa type. Begin your application, book an appointment, pay your fee, visit application center, track your application, collect your passport. Okay. So if we go to the information, because this is going to be a Schengen visa, short-term Schengen visa that we are applying. So the process is like online application form. You need to go there and it is available in three languages. We'll see. Okay. And you need to fill the instructions, everything. And then you need to fill the information. Company, you will be provided the number of your visa application and filled form will be sent to your email address. Okay. And you can print. Okay. And you can sign it before submitting it to uh, them along with the required documents. So we'll go to this form, but before that, see the documents. So you need to have passport, application form, color photo, specification given, proof of finance. Okay. This much you need for minimum insurance policy. This is standard for all Schengen countries as I see. Supporting documents that depends upon based on your purpose. So if you go for tourism, see, this is the checklist. Application on passport would cover letter, travel health insurance, proof of accommodation, proof of means of transport, introduction letter, proof of finance, children, student passport. Okay. You need to sign as well. But for signature, they have written in case of missing out, I also know that signing this form, the visa application will be examined without the report and mentioned above. Maybe to my decision. Okay, that's something else. I won't go much into that, but we have got the checklist. All right, guys. So first, let's go through the link. So this is the link. So this is available for Type C visa, Schengen visa. We have this in three languages, Russian, English, and this is which one? Estonian or what? I don't know, whatever. So let's click on English, personal email address, and insert the code. Okay, RAUJ. So I'll put some email. Okay, so it is asking for some details. I'm gonna put some sample details and let's see what happens. Of course, I will not be submitting the form. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Oh, sorry again. Date of birth. This is just sample, guys. You gotta put it as per your situation and information. Place of birth, country of birth. And if you're not clear about anything, click on this. It will give you current nationality. Oh, nationality of birth, if different, other nationality. Okay, that's pretty simple. Patient sample value, guys. Yeah, these questions are always asked in Shenzhen. So visa application, so be very careful about what you enter because based on that only where you apply matters. Okay, I'm just putting sample. Okay, cost, how the cost is gonna be. Home address, okay. Oh, phone number and all. Okay, I'll do that. Registration page where you submit by click on I agree. Definitely, I'm not gonna do that. This is a sample. So again, we have gone through the checklist. So what else is fee? Fee is really important. So let's come down. So for C, it's 6570 is the fee, and there will be taxes and fee from VFS as well that you can see over here. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.